Hello everyone. Today we are studying next topic, that is basics of mole concept. Now first of all, what is mean by mole? Have you heard about the word mole? Mole is nothing but a unit. That is, mole is unit to measure small quantities like atoms, molecules, ions, etc. Okay. Suppose we have to measure 1 kg of something, we call it groundnut. What we are actually doing here? We are counting or expressing the quantity of groundnut in kg. It means that kg is kilogram is the unit for counting the amount of groundnut. Same in case of mango, we count it in dozen. Okay. But for the submicroscopic particles or small substances that may contain large amount of atoms or ions or electrons. Suppose this is the carbon block or Fe block. Fe block. Its weight is 1 kg. Okay. But as we know about atoms, these are the smallest particle of an element. So Fe block is consist of number of atoms. Okay, these are submicroscopic particles. They cannot visible to us. So the atoms in Fe block, the atoms present in 1 kg of Fe block, we have to measure it in moles. Okay. So mole is nothing but a unit to measure this submicroscopic entities or particles, that is atoms, ions and molecules or electrons. Okay. Now, what is the perfect definition of mole? Mole is nothing but 1 mole is the amount. What is that? It is the amount of a substance, these submicroscopic particles, that is atoms, molecules, ions, electrons, that contains as many entities or many particles as there are atoms in the exactly 12 gram of C12 isotope, that is carbon 12 isotope. It means that 1 mole is the amount of a substance that contains many entities or particles as there are atoms present in C12 atom, exactly 12 gram of C12 isotope. Okay. Now to understand the concept of mole, let us assume this example. We have to calculate the number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon atom isotope. So what we will have to do first? We have to know the mass of 1 carbon atom. What is the mass of 1 carbon atom? The mass of 1 carbon atom, as we seen earlier, it is 1.99 into 10 to the power minus 23 grams. Okay. Now mass of 1 mole of carbon atom. Here given mass is 12.0 gram. Okay. Now we have to calculate the number of atoms present in 12 gram of carbon atom. So what we will have to do? Here 12 gram divided by 1.99 into 10 to the power minus 23 grams per atom. So the value comes out to be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power minus 23 particles. Okay, or you can say that atoms per mole. Thus, we can say that 1 mole of a substance contain 6.022 into 10 to the power minus 23 particles or entities. Okay. Here, one thing is to note that the unit is mole. The name of unit is mole and it is written as mole. Means unit is mole and its symbol. When we write the equation, we have to use this symbol, that is mole, called MOL, and unit is mole. What is unit? Unit is the measure. Okay. Now, if 1 is divided by this Na, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, it comes out to be equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Okay, so Avogadro's number, that is Na, can be written as 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24, and the exact value of Na is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, this is the Avogadro's number, and this is the mass of 1/12 of carbon atom. Okay. Now, yesterday we are seeing about the atomic mass. The new concept is molar mass. What is the basic difference between atomic mass and molar mass? Let's see. Atomic mass is nothing but the mass exactly equal to 1/12 of mass of one carbon atom. It means that this is the carbon atom and the mass of 1/12 mass of one carbon atom. This means this shaded part, mass of the shaded part is exactly equal to atomic mass of that entity. Okay. Now, molar mass. What is mean by molar mass? The mass of 1 mole of a substance in grams is called as molar mass. Now, what is molar mass? Molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a substance in grams. So, what is mole? Few minutes back we have studied about 1 mole is nothing but the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 grams. It is the 1 mole of a substance. Okay. Now, what is meant by 1 mole of a substance? 1 mole of a substance contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 grams. Now, Na, that is Avogadro's number, is nothing but the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 grams. Okay. So, we can write here 1 mole is nothing but the Avogadro's number. Now, let's see molar mass in detail. What is meant by molar mass? It is nothing but the mass of 1 mole of a substance. For example, molar mass of oxygen. We have to calculate the molar mass of oxygen. What we have to do? Mass of 1 mole of oxygen. Now, what is the 1 mole mass of 1 mole of oxygen? It is nothing but the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 oxygen atom. Mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 oxygen atoms. Now this value, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, is nothing but the Avogadro's number. So I can write mass of Na, that is Avogadro's number oxygen atom. Now mass of one oxygen atom into Avogadro's number. Here I can write mass of one atom of oxygen is 16 times heavier than 1 AMU. So I can write 16 into 1 AMU into Na, that is Avogadro's number. Now few minutes back I have said that 1 AMU is nothing but equal to 1 upon Na. Now 16 into 1 AMU into Na. So I can write here 16 into 1 upon Na into Na, that is Avogadro's number. Na will get cancelled. We get the value of 1 mole of oxygen atom contains 16 grams. Okay. Now one thing is to be noted here, that units of atomic mass and molar mass. Atomic unit of atomic mass is nothing but the U or AMU or Dalton. Okay. And molar mass is measured in gram per mole or gram mole inverse. For example, here we have taken an example of oxygen atom having atomic number 8 and atomic mass 16. It means that 16 AMU is its atomic mass and 16 gram is its molar mass. The units of atomic mass and molar mass are different, but they are same in magnitude. 16 AMU, that is 16 atomic mass unit, is represented for atomic mass, whereas for molar mass it is 16 gram. Okay. For example, 1 mole of oxygen contains 6.022 into 10 to the power minus 23 particles. Okay. Or atoms. What do you mean by that? Particles, atoms of oxygen. Same in case of nitrogen. 1 mole of nitrogen is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power minus 23 atoms of nitrogen. Okay.